Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install Flutter SDK and Android Studio, then set path so Flutter commands work system-wide. Connect a device or create an emulator. Enable USB debugging on the phone. Run Flutter Doctor and address missing items. This confirms toolchains, licenses, and Android SDK components. Once done, create a new Flutter project with Flutter Create App Name and open it in Android Studio so you can move into project configuration and build settings. You now configure the Android side and start building. Edit Android/app/build. Gradle to set min SDK version, compile SDK version, and target SDK version to match Play Store requirements. Update Kotlin and Gradle plugin versions when prompted. Configure signing config for debug and release, and add Google services. JSON if using Firebase. Use Flutter Run for quick iteration, then Flutter Build App or Flutter Build App Bundle for release artifacts. Make sure to test on both emulator and physical device to catch run. You finish by producing release builds and verifying behavior across devices. Optimize images and fonts, migrate fully to Android X, and enable ProGuard or R8 to shrink code for release. Sign the bundle and verify Play Console upload. Run integration tests and check runtime permissions and background task behavior. If something breaks, use a dblogcat to inspect errors, run Flutter Clean to remove caches, and then rebuild. One key tip: check mismatched plugin versions and Gradle settings. Those cause the majority of Android build failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.